they gotta put up an animal crossing sign.
I'm just a helper, not at all. Just make sure they spell my name right, okay? My lawyer will call you later. Life is good, you know? I'm trying to help people, help the community.
Trevor,
The right thing.
you're still banned.
What about these two?
Whoever wins gets banned.
He's one, ban him.
I can't ban him. He's my goddamn husband.
He's young enough to be your son.
Ain't the internet a beautiful thing, honey?
Anyway, I saved your husband. Now give me a drink. I got a meeting.
Okay, but any more bodies turn up in my bar, I swear, I will not serve you.
Mr. Phillips.
Ah, here he is. Yes, Mr. Chang, pleasure to meet you.
No, I am Mr. Chang's humble translator. Mr. Chang now.
我操他妈的，真是爽翻了
You all speak Spanish, speak it to each other!
Mr. Tao Chung is pleased to meet your acquaintance.
Oh, yeah, he seems it.
我说人事，你真是太好了哦！你有空就加的来分配的我，这真是我人生中最美好的
What
一
the
刻。
fuck is wrong with him?
就是这个，就是这个，来来来来来。
I'm out.
No, don't go! Please, I beg you. If you go, his father kill me.
Why do I give a fuck?
You don't. But we hear that Trevor Phillips Corporation is serious business. We pay good price. Things work out, we partner. Make big money.
I'm rushing.
Well, let me show you the operation. This is us. Chef, we're just coming down to see the kitchen.
You can't get here quick enough. The Aztecas are coming. They think you took out Ortega.
They ain't mistaken.
Well, get down here and take them out too.
You sure your boss don't want this crank for his own personal consumption?
No, Mr. Chang Sr. is very specific. He wants a good, reliable source of methamphetamine. We will buy from you here and distribute using established networks.
I'm worried that might dilute what our operation's all about. We're part of the slow meth movement, bioregional, locavores only.
Shit, Trevor, we ain't got long.
Whoa, manners, chef. These are our guests, all right? We got Mr. Chang and his humble servant.
Hey, Lao Shung.
Nice to meet you. Trevor, we ain't got long till they get here.
Everything in its time, all right. Gentlemen, please, come check out the storage facilities. Go on now. Nice, right? There you go. Ample room inside. Mr. Chang, please, sir, if you will.
Let me out!
Tour will recommence shortly, gentlemen.
Should we get the guns?
Yes, chef.
Help me!
If I knew we were having visitors, would have done a little spring clean.
Ortega has always been cool with us before. Gonna blow, man.
This what you came for? Clean them up, chef. Come on.
They ran the gates. We gotta deal with them.
The Aztecas are as bad as the Lost.
Somebody house one.
Go back home.
This way.
Eduardo, escape.
They're coming up!
Fucking idiot! Ah! God! Oh, Jesus!
This is extremely unprofessional! They gotta have the whole crew here!
Yeah!
Get in cover!
Rude motherfuckers! Now I really am gonna put you out of business!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
You want a better weapon? Get over here!
Another car!
You've gone and made this personal!
Eating into our cooking time!
I think they're coming through the shop! Let's get to the front!
Yes, chef!
Let's move it downstairs! Come on! They're coming to the door! Get down!
Whoa! Get out of here!
Hey, here he is!
I'm reloading!
This is a place of business!
They know their feet! Let's push them off!
Ortega's dead! And so's your crew!
Get back inside and clean up the lab! I gotta let our potential business partners out of the ice chest. Yeah, all right, time to recommence the tour, gentlemen.
I think we have seen quite enough. 该正，
但是还没有到5次嘛。
I'll swing by and sign the contracts, all right? Just ignore the bodies.
Hey, Trevor! Are we still gonna cook that batch?
Fuck yeah!
Okay.
Holy shit! Oh! God damn! You motherfucker! I will shoot your face off! This weekend. Gotta stay in shape to look good. Oh, a la verga!
You sure as shit are one dumb, ignorant, white trash hillbilly, Wallace.
You're damn right!
Chang, spreadsheet. Let's head outside and talk terms.
来了来了，快点！
Gentlemen, I think I have proved that my organization can handle weight. And I think I've proved that my organization is a reliable supplier. In short, it's you and me. Now give me some of that goddamn X.
I'm afraid we want to go down a different path.
What?
We want to explore other
这个
opportunities.
坏家伙，坏死了！要不要我帮你放松一下
The fuck up!
Our boss, Mr. Cheng's father, wants something a little larger. We want to move drugs, perhaps guns.
This is my life's work. I mean, since I was a little kid, I dreamt big. You know, I've always wanted to be an international drug dealer and a weapons trader. All right, so I'm begging you. Let's make this happen.
I'm very sorry.
You're sorry? You're fucking sorry? I just spilled my fucking guts out to you, and you say to me you're sorry. Who are you working with? Who?
I'm not at liberty to say.
Oh, no, you're at fucking liberty. In fact, I'd say you are obliged. Who? Fucking who?
The O'Neill brothers.
The O'Neill brothers, huh?
Yeah.
You shitting me?
No.
Cause those fucking O'Neill brothers, I hear a little birdie telling me that they have a bit of a problem, since one of them's gonna have to be surgically removed from the skull of the other. Fuck you guys, and fuck them!
Hold on.
This music's all fucking wrong! That's what I'm looking for!
Trevor Phillips.
Elwood O'Neill! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
Trevor, it's business.
That wide-eyed idiot was mine!
It's business, fella. You want to discuss it? We're at the farm. Ernie, Earl, Walton, Wynn, Dale, Doyle, Darrell, Dan, all of us.
Start writing those names on tombstones, cause I'm on the way to your lab and we're gonna see how much of a family meth business you got when I'm done! They're dead, all of them, inbred hillbilly twats!
No way!
I just spoke to that maniac Trevor. He's coming. Get down to the meth lab to protect it. I hope he don't get through these idiots, but we know they're idiots. Come on, let's go see them Chinese fellas.
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse. You're all dead! Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse. I'm gonna
You're mine now. We gotta find that crazy motherfucker. You fucking asshole. Find that psychopath. Where are you, huh? You crazy son of a bitch!
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse. Trevor's here to kill ya!
Get that psycho, Trevor! Fucking guard this fucking place!
It's over! I'm coming for you!
You stay out there! We'll stay in here!
This don't look like a larger operation to me. Get your own fucking business!
Larry's been hit! Motherfucker!
You assholes! Fucking O'Neills!
Go to hell!
How about a merger, you prick?
Come on!
Take over time! Let's see if we can't cut you down to size. It's over! This don't look like a larger operation to me.
You're dead!
Get your own fucking business!
Son of a pig!
You assholes!
Are you crazy?
Fucking O'Neills! How about a merger, you prick?
Give me a second.
Take over time!
Hey, shitbird! Die! Die! Die!
Let's see if we can't cut you down to size. It's over! don't look like a larger operation to me. Get your own fucking business! You assholes!
Get that motherfucker out the house!
Fucking O'Neills!
Yeah, fuck you, dealer man!
You trying to get killed?
Shit, he's coming this way! Stay away!
The motherfucker's in the house!
Shit! He's down here!
Don't come any closer, all right? You...
Well, look at this! Where are you gone, fuckers? See what's left when I'm done. Can't leave gaps! You disrespectful pricks!
swimming in some...
Looks good.
Yeah, I like it.
Now, I'm telling you, if you don't sleep in that hairnet, you're gonna wake up with your brains in your pillow, dig?
All right, I hear you.
See ya. You ready for a trim? Let's see what you like. Where are my glasses? Ugh, it should be fine. Come back anytime.